I've been hearing what they saying now, but I don't know what they've been talking about. I've been doing this all on my own. Nobody is stopping me. They never gonna hold me down. No, they never gonna hold me down. No, they never gonna hold me down. I've been doing this all on my own. Nobody is stopping me. They never gonna hold me down. I've been doing the most, killing the track and I'm packing out shows. Over 1 million plays on my page, and I'll tell you one thing, I'm not selling my soul. Thinking it's fake, but I know that it's real. Been working too hard, I'm not worried about deals. I'm going alone and I know how it go. Never needed no help and I'm still gonna blow up the game. And I'm never gonna change, I'm sticking to my lane. I'm about to let my pains now. Explain why the trouble still come, but the people still run. When the good about to fade out, it's crazy, but it never fazed me. They heard that I opened up for Swayze. Now they all come around when it's about to go down, but they better know they all gotta pay me. Yeah, we've been living like this, roll around to my side of town, and I'm never slowing down, always hold it down, rolling up a pound stick until my sound. Please tell me who's gonna stop me, trying to make it ASAP, no Rocky. Put the team on the back and the city on the map, and we going to the top, just watch me. I've been hearing what they saying now, but I don't know what they've been talking about. I've been doing this all on my own. Nobody is stopping me. They never gonna